So there was a rich man in a particular city, and he sent his two sons to a to a very remote country and a village to find out the market opportunity. They both went there, and it was for slippers, shoes as a market. They both went there and they found that nobody wears those shoes. Everybody is without the slippers or shoes. They live that way. They both came. One person said that there is no market because nobody wears shoes. Second person said there is a large market because they have never experienced shoes. So it's a huge opportunity for us to introduce the shoes and cater the 100% market. How do you look at is a very, very important aspect. So when we look at an opportunity which is in front of us, then we know, then can we address it? Can we look at differently? Is it addressable or not? Can we target it differently and then go for it? That's a very, you can say, an open area where the visionaries, when we call them, are able to identify an opportunity. It may not be always very clearly visible. Just like an example of Uber, just like an example of Paytm in India, just like an example of Airbnb or Ola here in India. These are many examples which some people saw an opportunity where the incumbent players were actually addressing a large market in the country, large market in the world. They were addressing that. And when they were addressing, they decided that we are going to take on these large incumbent players. And you know now that Oyo holds the maximum number of rooms than any hotel chain in the world. And Oyo do not own a single hotel. It's a new opportunity seen. Ritesh came for GSE award and met me when he was a student in Kota for mentoring. And you can imagine that from there, when he saw a problem in Kota that students do not have room. That is, from there he started to look at the opportunity. Just imagine that a student is able to see an opportunity and now become the world's largest room owner. That's where the opportunity lies. And once you see an opportunity, then you go for it.